Hey, this is Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our 3.5-inch lift kit for the Toyota 4Runner. So on the front side, this lift kit comes with a replacement upper control arm and differential drops to keep all your front end geometry in check. You've got the choice of a Strut spacer, a loaded strut, or a Vertex reservoir shock to give you the lift in the front. And the rear of the lift consists of a coil spring spacer and replacement extended shock. All of this is going to allow you to run a larger tire. We're currently running a 33-12-50 on this particular 4Runner. This 3.5-inch lift kit is going to bring the 4Runner up, give it a more aggressive stance and a better overall look. It's also going to give it more ground clearance and the ability to run a larger wheel and tire combination while maintaining a factory-like ride. This 3.5-inch lift kit and the ability to run the larger wheel and tire combination takes the already aggressive good looks of the 4Runner and sends them over the edge. The kit, I don't know, does it, sorry.